Students, now as in the previous lecture we started a new chapter of supplementary reader, and the name of the chapter is Footprint Without Feet. Footprint Without Feet is written by H.G. Wells. So in last lecture we read about the writer and a brief introduction of the chapter. And students, today we will start explanation. So as we discussed earlier, in this chapter, Footprints Without Feet, this chapter is a very interesting story about a scientist who discovered how a naked person can be invisible. He carried out many experiments and finally he discovered a drug. By taking that, a person could be invisible, and he took it first by himself and he became invisible, and by being invisible, then how he faced different situations and how he faced many problems, and even he created many problems for other people. So which kind of incidents were happened with him? All the things are described in this chapter which we are going to study. So before starting explanation, now let's have a look on the hard words. Started means jumped with surprise. Progressing means moving. Impression means footmarks. Bewildered means puzzled. Transparent means invisible. Eject means remove. So students, we are going to cover these value points in our explanation of today. As first point is the boys see footprints in the street, and Griffin a lawless person. So here the name of that scientist is Griffin. Then who made this drug to make a person invisible? Actually students, now let's see explanation. As first point is there, boys see footprints in the street. Actually in London, two boys, then who were wandering there, who were roaming here and there, they saw something and they were surprised to see that. What was that? They were fresh muddy footprints of bare feet on the steps of a house without finding who was making them. Even not a single person was nearby, but some fresh footmarks were there which were made by bare feet. And now their person was nowhere. So who made this? These boys were very surprised to see. And as they tried to find out the person who made these footprints, but they found no one. And further on, the footprints were disappeared. It means these footprints were present in a limited area, and after that they were disappeared. Now these footprints have been made by a person whose name was Griffin, who was a scientist. Even at that time, boys didn't know anything about that, and they were just getting surprised. Then by whom these footprints were made? And after making these footprints, the person who has made this, where he had gone and where he has disappeared. So at that time they were not able to understand, but actually these footprints were made by an eccentric, a strange scientist whose name was Griffin, who had discovered how to make his body transparent, and he could only be seen with the clothes he was wearing. It means by his clothes he could be identified, and as soon as he put off on his clothes, he became invisible. So only his clothes were his identity, his identification. When he was naked, he was completely invisible. He could not be seen by anyone. So now this Griffin was a lawless person. He was completely a rule breaker. So as he was having a criminal bent of mind, and he was a completely lawless person. So he was having some issues with his landlord. So when he got this advantage to be become an invisible person. So he got and he took the complete advantage of this invisibility. He set fire to his landlord's house to take revenge against him for trying to evict him. And after that, he ran away from there. And as he had to remove his clothes so that he became invisible. So what he did, then as first of all, he was carrying out many experiments, and when he became successful in making this drug, in making this solution which could make a person invisible. So now he was successful. So first of all, he took revenge from his landlord with whom he was fought many times. So he set fire to his house and then became clothless. It means that he put off his clothes and he became invisible to escape him from landlord, and then he ran away from there so that nobody could catch him for this mistake or for this problem which he created for his landlord. And then as he ran away from there and started escaping from people, as he was hiding himself, so he was running on the roads, and now he was invisible because he was not having clothes on his body, so nobody could identify him who was running on the road. Even he was free to go here and there anywhere, but now here he was not having home, he was homeless, he was moneyless. He was not having a particular place to live in. That's why he became a homeless wanderer. So students, in this session we have seen that as two boys in London, two boys noticed some footprints then which were made by a person, but here person was not present. And actually these footprints were made by a strange kind of scientist then who found a solution, who found a drug which could make a person invisible if a person put off his or her clothes. So by taking this solution, then he swallowed all the drugs by himself and he became invisible. And first attempt he made by setting fire to his house, and then he became homeless. And now he was moving place to place to get shelter, to get money. So students, in next session we will read next part of the chapter. Till then, take care of yourself.